anyone that has any kind of suspected heart disease under 18, this is where they're going to come. And for many of those kids, it becomes an 18-year journey where this is like their second home in some instances. The quality of the space and the feeling that those families get when they step through those doors, it's so important.
The Children's Heart Centre is a critical piece of child health care in our province. You see thoughtfulness behind the design, the thoughtfulness behind the murals. You see the rooms that are animated and colorful. We've added leading-edge technology, leading-edge services, leading-edge equipment. It's a testament to the generosity of Jerry and Barb Price and the legion of donors that have made this $17.7 million campaign come to fruition.
Barb and I are so happy that this new Children's Heart Centre has finally become a reality. We lost our young son Travis from an undiagnosed heart condition, and this new state-of-the-art facility will save many, many lives and save families from the tragic loss of a child. We are thrilled.
Being in this new space has totally transformed the way we deliver care, and it's transformed the whole experience for our families when they come through. The footprint's larger, so we have more examination rooms, we have more ultrasound rooms than we used to have. We have a dedicated space to do exercise running tests, which we didn't have before. We have a dedicated counselling room now to have detailed, lengthy discussions with families, whereas before those conversations were often happening in ultrasound rooms or sometimes hallways, depending on how busy or crowded the day was. And from a safety perspective, we're now immediately adjacent to the rest of the hospital, where the emergency room is, where the intensive care units are. So if we do need any additional help with patients from those acute care areas, they're seconds away now as opposed to across the street. I've had so much positive feedback from families that had years of going to the old clinic. They come here and they're really quite amazed by what a difference it is.
This new Children's Heart Centre is in a much expanded footprint, sufficient with new equipment to handle a 4-fold increase in patients over the next few years. New equipment includes a catheterization lab and machine, a fluoroscopy lab and machine, 5 cardiologist offices, 4 dedicated examination rooms, 2 dedicated ultrasound rooms, a shared ultrasound pacemaker room, and several other specialized rooms. As part of this incredible $17 million campaign, we raised $6 million to increase the number of remote monitored beds from 4 at present to 26 in the near future. This permits a crisis team to arrive bedside in seconds rather than in 5 to 10 minutes, which will save lives. As well, every patient room, 145 in total, will be hardwired with Wi-Fi and the Versera network to permit instant communication with the medical staff.
It's our hope that this incredible facility that is here to serve our community is a place where families can feel comfortable. And we know this journey is not just a one-time journey. For many families, it's a journey of a lifetime. And so it's critical that this place was designed to bring a bit of happiness during these challenging times for our kids and our families, and we think it has.
Barb and I want to thank the literally hundreds of donors who dug deep to make this new Children's Pediatric Heart Centre a reality. In the past, children with their doctors and families had to travel to Edmonton and Toronto for pre-op and post-op care. Now with this modern facility here, all parties can stay in Winnipeg for life-saving treatment and care. We are humbled that so many people contributed far more than anybody would dream possible to make this new heart center a reality for the sake of these young kids who deserve the best and the chance to have a normal, healthy life. Thank you to all of you, generous donors who made this a reality. We are overwhelmed. Thank you.